Okay, hello everyone, and now is the very important topic which we are going to take up is atom and the story behind ions. What are the two types of the ions? Why we are going to take up this topic? Because this is the essential part of the chemistry section. We will not be able to understand the formula making, the chemical reactions, the equations. Nothing is possible if you do not understand this very basic. You have already studied in 9th standard, but again we are picking it up in 10th class. Reason very simple, understanding part should not be missed out. So we will start with very important section of chemistry, the basics of chemistry. What is the story? It is everything revolves around matter. What is matter? Matter is anything which has mass and that occupies space. Matter you cannot, it is something you have to feel it through your senses. So it can be sensed, it can be felt, or you can say it can be identified by your sense organs, like air. Air I cannot see, but I can sense that presence of air around me. So basically, when we are going to start this whole concept, we will start with the very basic thing, what is matter? In 5 things we are going to wind up. Matter is anything that has space and has mass. The mass can be small, it can be big, it can be anything. So matter is what anything that can be. Matter is anything that which has mass and occupies space. Now on the basis of physical properties, physically, देखने में कैसा, physically कैसा, so you will say the matter can be solid, a liquid or the gas. But when we go chemically into it, inside, what is inside chemically, then you can say matter can be classified as elements, compounds and mixture. We will not go into too much detail of element, compound, mixture because we have done it in 9th standard. But just for a recap, the elements are just like our English alphabets, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Not exactly this way, but elements are the basics of our formula. They are basics of our how the reaction will proceed, how an atom will behave. So one must understand what makes up a matter. Atom makes up a matter. What makes matter? Atom makes matter. Now what? Another new term. What is atom? जैसे matter पहला word आया, अब atom क्या चीज है? Atom is, lot of people gave out huge lot of stories, but our basic terminology will revolve around that atoms are the smallest particle of an element which may or may not which may or individually its existence nahi hai. It is not independent unit. So atom is basic smallest unit of matter in short. So first thing we talked about the matter. The another thing we said matter is made up of atoms. Matter atoms से बना है. Atoms itself has 3 subatomic particles. Atom के और अंदर जाएंगे. You will open it up. You will find electrons, protons and neutrons. And nowadays further studies have further identified lot other particles into it. But abhi right now understand atom itself is made up of 3 subatomic particles, electrons, protons and neutrons. So matter, from matter we jumped on to atom. Matter से हम atom पे गए हैं. Atom के अंदर electron, proton, neutron है. Now what is basically the behavior of an atom? We said that atom basically they are a required thing because same kind of atoms they make up elements. The third important topic. Elements are the pure chemical substance which are made up of only one type of atoms. I have not written the definitions. I am just making you recap your previous 9th class. So now 3 things we have understood: matter, atom, and from atom we have jumped to the another new term that is called element. Element, pure chemical substance which are made up of same kind of atoms. So when we are saying all these things, do we have any examples? Yes, we do have. The elements, the symbols, a lot of examples are there. You have used iron around you. Your benches, your almirahs, your doors are made up of aluminium. Nowadays, aluminium gates are there in the market. Aluminium grills आती हैं. Aluminium foil paper is there. Iron, gold, silver, these all are elements. But they are some commonly used elements. Though one element is there in your mobile batteries also, lithium, but अभी हमने देखा नहीं इसलिए हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते. So basically elements के बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल है, but I always ask you to learn it number wise. Number 1 hydrogen, number 2 helium, number 3 lithium, which I just told you about. Everyone is, hydrogen is I think the most smallest one and the most efficient fuel. चैप्टर में आपने क्लास 8 में कल पढ़ा होगा. हाइड्रोजन का कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू जो है बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, आपने बलून्स में देखा होगा, हीलियम गैस भरते हैं हम लोग. लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरोन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, एंड लेटर ऑन फ्लोरीन, नियॉन, सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम. 120 elements we will take up next class. But 1 to 20 elements you should be known and very thoroughly cleared up with the formulas, with the symbols basically. So now what we have done right now, atom, matter, from matter to atom, atom to element, because element have got same kind of atoms. Now we are going to take up how elements which are electrically neutral, they become charged. Because basically what happens is that atoms जो होते हैं they behave in the form of a molecule and how they exist in nature. So it has been found out that atom exists as a molecule and they exist as the ions. Now another new term comes over here. What are ions? Ions are the charged particles. What are ions? Ions are the charged particles, and these charged particles, they can be positive and they can be negative charged. So what is the last term, that is what is charged particle? That means an atom has electrically, so nature has given it a stability, but sometimes its number of electrons or number of electrons in the outermost shell, they are not following the stability rule, need to be stable. So when the stability rule is not followed, then the atom starts losing or gaining or sharing the electrons because it wants to be stable. Atoms में सबसे ज़्यादा जो मतलब जब कोई atom lose करता है अपना electron, तो हम उसे बोलते हैं it is a cation, and when an atom gains electron, then it becomes anion. ठीक है? So cation is the positively charged particle and anion is the negatively charged particle. A major question comes over here: how many electrons it can give and how many electrons it can gain. We have seen that in a series, what happens? The atom has in outermost shell, the first shell, the A shell, it has got the capacity of 2 electrons. And the outermost shell, we have the capacity for 8 electrons. 8 electrons. The first shell 2, the outermost shell 8 electrons. This is the structure of atom, you know. So, an atom can, from the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So from 1 to 8, till this point, it prefers to give away its electron, because 1 electron को lose करने में उसकी ज़्यादा energy waste नहीं होगी, 2 भी निकालने में उसको ठीक रहता है, 3 भी वो lose करता है. In the case of 4 is like 4 lose कर लो या 4 gain कर लो, तो it is a very different situation where an atom doesn't lose either 4 electrons nor it gains electron, it shares the 4 electrons. This is the thing which makes it quite different, and this is one particular element that we are going to discuss is carbon silicon. Now comes the 5, 6, 7. These 5, 6, 7 electrons, any atom which has outermost shell 5 electrons, या 6 electron, या 7 electrons, they are going to accept electrons, they are going to gain electrons. And when somebody takes electron, वो मांग रहा है, it gets a minus charge over on top of it. Right? तो सुपरस्क्रिप्ट में आप माइनस का साइन दिखाएंगे, तो कैटायन प्लस होता है, एनायन माइनस होता है. ये अच्छे से ध्यान रखना. तो अब हम कहाँ से शुरू किए थे? हम शुरू किए थे एटम से. एटम से हम आयंस पे आए. आयंस आर द चार्ज्ड पार्टिकल्स. आयंस कैन बी पॉजिटिव, आयंस कैन बी नेगेटिव. अब बात आती है द वेरी लास्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अगर कैटायंस एंड आयंस बन रहे हैं तो व्हाट आर द, मतलब अब क्या हम हर एक का याद करें या कैसे करें? I think those who are very quick with the atomic numbers can easily find it out, the number of electron it is going to lose or it is going to gain. But lot more practice can make the things more easy and efficient. So number 1, the monovalent. The monovalent cations. These are monovalent. Ye plus and this is minus. This is divalent. Minus, plus 2, minus 2. It is going to give off 2 electrons. It is going to take 2 electrons. Right? This is trivalent. अब 4 तो कोई पॉसिबल नहीं है ना. टेट्रावेलेंट तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना. टेट्रावेलेंट होगा, बिल्कुल होगा, क्योंकि टेट्रावेलेंसी कार्बन से जुड़ी है, विच वी विल स्टडी इन नेक्स्ट कार्बन एंड कंपाउंड चैप्टर. तो टेट्रावेलेंट भी होता है. मैंने आई हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड इट हियर. Monovalent, divalent, trivalent. 3 electron lose या 3 electron gain. Now you have this list. I have learned it in a mnemonic way. आप भी अपने तरीके से याद कर सकते हैं. हली नाक फर्स्ट सीरीज, क्योंकि ये हमें आगे पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन में भी हेल्प करेगा. तो इसको ऐसे ही अगर हम लर्न करते हैं तो इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अस इन द अदर चैप्टर ऑल्सो. हली नाक, कॉपर, एमोनियम, सिल्वर. कॉपर Cu plus, NH4 plus, ammonium NH4 plus, and silver ions. These are silver ions, Ag plus. This is very important in our chapter. Now comes the minus ones. F, Kal, Bar, I. F, Kal, Bar, I. Fluorine, bromine, iodine. Now there is one thing you have to understand. When we use this anions word, the suffix part changes. It becomes fluoride, chloride. वैसे तो Cl means chlorine, but जब हम इसको as an anion पढ़ेंगे, as जब ये इस पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा, अगर वो एलिमेंट होगा तो वो क्लोरीन है. अगर मैं सिर्फ लिख दूंगी ये, तो this is chlorine. But if I'm writing this, so now you will pronounce it differently and you will say it is chloride. Chloride. Ide. So mostly we have seen ide, and ade. These are the 3 suffix which we usually use. Like you can proceed here. Nitrate, nitrite, hydroxide, OH, it is a radical. Hydroxide. Now comes the divalent. I have learned it in my junior class and I still remember it this way only. बेमग का बाग. बेमग का बाग. आपके पास कोई और तरीका है, आप उससे याद कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मेरी फ्लुएंसी बचपन से ही इस पे ऐसे गई है, तो इसलिए मेरे लिए ये तरीका निकला मुझे. बेमग का बाग. ठीक है. तो इट इज बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम. अब यहाँ कोई सफिक्स नहीं होगा चेंज, सफिक्स एनायंस में होंगे. ठीक है. ये Cu2 प्लस, Mn मीन्स मैग्नीज, मैंगनीज. ये मैग्नीशियम, मैग्नीज. आयरन Fe2 प्लस. Fe and copper, zinc, they are certain elements which show variable valency. Their valency keeps on changing. They can be 2, 3, 1, 2, कुछ भी combination. So we will mention it which valency you have to take. Fe2 plus zinc and mercury. Hg is the mercury. Now comes the minus 2 ions. Minus 2 ions includes divalent anion. It includes your sulfide. See, I have written it: sulfide, sulfate, SO4 2 minus, SO3 sulfide. See, they are so similar to each other, so you have to focus more on this. CO3 carbonate, these are important radicals. We are going to have it in many of our reactions. So your prime responsibility is to make it quite readable. You should be able to identify it quickly. Now comes the third one, the trivalent. The trivalent cations are aluminium and the iron, Fe3 plus. And trivalent anion में नाइट्राइड ही मैंने लिखा है और फॉस्फेट लिखा है, N3 minus phosphate, PO4 3 minus, right? So basically when we are saying it like atom से ion बने, charged particles can be cation, it can be anion, losing electron, gaining electron. तो बेसिकली हमारा सवाल बनता है हाउ cations are formed. अब इस सबसे पहले आपको एक वर्ड और समझ में आना चाहिए, वैलेंसी क्या है. वैलेंसी इज द कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एलिमेंट. ठीक है. सो वैलेंसी जो चार्ज पार्टिकल की होगी उसका मतलब है इसके ऊपर जो चार्ज है दैट इज इट्स वैलेंसी. तो CO3 कार्बोनेट में वैलेंसी कितनी है 2. इसकी वैलेंसी कितनी है कुछ भी नहीं लिखा 1. फ्लोराइड का 1. PO4 3. तो व्हाट इज द चार्ज ऑन इट, दैट बिकम्स इट्स वैलेंसी. और वैलेंसी निकालना भी आपने 9th क्लास में सीखा हुआ है. आउटर मोस्ट शेल को ऑक्टेट रूल से बैलेंस करने के लिए जितना इलेक्ट्रॉन गिव एंड टेक किया जाएगा दैट बिकम्स अ वैलेंसी. हम बहुत सिंपल डेफिनेशन हम आपको सिखाते हैं, कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एलिमेंट. तो कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एलिमेंट विल मेक अप, या इसको और सरल भाषा में बोला जाए, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एन एटम लूजेस या एटम गेन्स या एटम शेयर्स. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन कार्बन द वैलेंसी इज 4. चार ना वो गेन करता है ना लूज करता है, चार वो शेयर करता है, तो इट बिकम्स टेट्रावेलेंट. सो वैलेंसी हो गया. एंड द लास्ट इट जस्ट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ केटायन इज फॉर्म्ड. केटायन कैसे बनेगा, मान लीजिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव टेकन एक सबसे सिंपलेस्ट एग्जाम्पल सोडियम. सोडियम एटॉमिक नंबर इज 11. So number of electrons 11. The electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 1. How the electrons will be arranged? Like this is a small nucleus of sodium. This is 2 electrons. This is 8 electrons. And this outermost shell, it is carrying 1 electron. This whole shell, it is carrying 1 extra electron. So it is very burden for sodium to carry this electron. It prefers to give it off. It is going to lose it. So how we are going to show it through a reaction? Na bracket 281 number of electrons. This is an atom. When it will lose, it will become Na plus. It will get this plus sign here, and this extra electron which it has lost will be written here. When an atom loses electron, the number of electrons will be changed from 281, it will become 28. So now there is a difference. ये है तो सोडियम, बट अब आप इसको बोलोगे सोडियम केटायन. सोडियम केटायन. अब ये सोडियम एटम नहीं है, दिस इज सोडियम एटम. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज अ वेरी बेसिक थिंग. व्हाट इज एटम, व्हाट इज आयन? आयन्स आर द चार्ज्ड पार्टिकल. या तो वो प्लस होगा या माइनस होगा. Same ways I have taken chlorine. How an ion is formed? Chlorine will accept electron, तो इसकी तरफ प्लस होगा, reactant side पे प्लस होगा, chlorine प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन. जब ये एक्सेप्ट होगा तो इसका ये कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, ये 288 हो जाएगा. It gains electron, it becomes chloride 288. So it is basically the cation and anion which are very important. My dear students, you should make your own ways to write down this table. If you are not happy with this kind of grapes like figure. I have drawn some grape like structure. So you can make your own structure, you can make your own table where you can write +1, +2, +3. Another page, anion, heading is anion, where the atom is losing electron and is becoming anion, another charged particle. -1, -2, -3. There are a lot of ways you can take this activity also, in a leaf format also. So it is your complete thing. So let us recap the things again. This is a very important question. How atom is different from ion? How cations are formed? How anions are formed? What a charged particle called as? So 4 or 5 basic questions you should know. It is a basic understanding. Nobody is going to ask it in a paper, but nobody is able to do the formula making, understand the chemistry behind the reactions happening if you are not thorough with this particular part. So make sure that you are understanding this part. You can watch other videos also to have more understanding. So basically your point of understanding should revolve around matter, atom, ion, cation, anion. And then, very important, you should be through with this valency section. This is very important section because we have to go with the formula making and the chemical reaction. Thank you, class.